How do you manage that stress? You meditate also?
No, I don't meditate at all.
No?
I am a religious guy. I worship Lord Shiva.
Okay.
Nobody else.
Yeah, I saw one
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
tattoos.
Lord Shiva and Lord Hanuman are the only two deities I worship.
Mm-hmm.
And I worship them. I worship them. यानी मैं जल वल चढ़ाता हूँ simple, but I don't do any other rituals which I do, which I feel like doing, I do, which I feel I don't want to do it, I don't do it. And that's about it. So
ये
that
कब
is my source of faith.
Okay.
There's always has to be a true beacon or a true north of a man. For me, it is Lord Shiva.
कब से
His childhood. My parents were devotees of Lord Shiva. मैं बचपन से
अच्छा।
पूजा कर रहा हूँ. फौज में आकर थोड़ी छूट गई थी. यानी जल वल चढ़ाना छूट गया. बस फौज में मंदिर वंदिर तुम ऑपरेशंस में वो कहाँ मिलेंगे. But after leaving army, I'm doing that.
Hmm.
So that has been my true north. So लोग बोलते हैं ना, people don't have faith. My life has been saved. Whatever I'm saying right now, it is because of him. I'm sitting in front of you because of him. I fail a lot. But I know that my bank will never get empty.
Hmm.
Money will come from somewhere. I
Ah.
need to put in effort. And when it comes to putting effort, I put. So that's what I work on. That's how I do things. And in my army days also, I never used to push my team. As a leader, we come back to the first question ki what leaders need to do. Leaders need to be compassionate. तुमने
With
एक
the
बंदे
teams.
को ट्रेन किया है. I used to people who were like totally incorrigible, मैं उनको यूनिट से बाहर फेंकता था. But that would have been last resort. But I used to give them adequate chances. And never ever in my life I pushed them the way I push myself. Till now also.
Hmm.
Till now also, I don't push people
Which is,
around.
I think, a great thing to do
I don't
as a
know.
leader.
I don't know. I don't push my teams that much. I
Hmm.
keep them in a happy. I don't have a greater team, but मैंने देखा है लोग उतनी मेहनत कर भी नहीं सकते. People are not that resilient enough. General opinion about people is they don't like hard work. Whatever kind, physical, mental, मेहनत नहीं करना चाहते.
हाँ, क्योंकि हमारे को सिखाया भी नहीं ना वैसा है. मतलब हमारे को सिखाया ही है कंफर्ट पे जाना. Society
maybe.
is such that we are trained to seek comfort in life.
Human beings are such.
हाँ.
The
Society is such,
But
I
then
think.
there is nothing wrong in it
Human
also.
beings
Like
are-
we never experienced in our childhood air conditioners. But
Hmm.
my sons are born in air conditioner. They can't sleep without air conditioner.
Yes.
But it is a technology. It is nowadays air conditioner is not a luxury. It's a necessity.
Basic हो गया वो.
Basically, basic
हाँ.
है ना. So we can't blame the generation, but the need to come out and do things. But what I find people is, because I interact through these boot camps a lot of people, and every one of them is more educated than me in terms of I am a normal BA graduate.
Vocational studies.
Academically.
Academics.
Everyone is better than me. Yani I would say these boot camps have started in December now. 98% of my students or the people who
engineers.
attend are engineers. I'm telling you.
Yeah.
There are IAS officers also, couple of them who came. And people from US also came to them. But 98% are engineers. And they are all better than me. All and every one is better than me academically.
Yes.
But that is where I come to the first point. Academic excellence does not matter. When you are a founder, emotional intelligence is more important than your intelligence quotient. I can vouch for it.
Yes.
It makes you more resilient. As a founder, you need to be thick-skinned. Failure तो आना ही आना है. Failure पैसे तो डूबने ही डूबने हैं. There is no one in this world who has risen up the ranks. अगर वो genuinely rise किया. ये नहीं, I'm not talking of second or third generations who are into businesses. That is no resilient. वो तुम्हें मिल गया तो तुम खींच दिया मीटर. Don't talk about it. But the people who have risen, everybody has failed. That is why your emotional intelligence has to be more than your intelligence quotient. Intelligent quotient will only get you marks. You can be smart about certain things.
Correct.
But you're resilient because you're dealing with manpower. If I can't understand what is going through Nitin's mind, whether I was in army or civil, I can judge a person by staying with him. What is going in your mind? What is, how do you work? How do you, but I have to stay time with you. As a founder, you need to be with them. That is why founders have to come at 8 o'clock, while the rest of the team comes at 10 o'clock. The team leaves at 6 and they leave at 9.
The scenario is not such, right?
I don't know about that, but this is how I have lived and I have done those things. So if I need to train someone on some aspects, there will be SMEs, subject matter experts.
Right.
बट उन सबको एक सूत्रधार की तरह बिठाकर उनको से काम निकालने के लिए तुमको हर चीज का थोड़ा बहुत तो मालूम होना चाहिए. यू मस्ट नो द मैन whom you are working with. वो आता है टाइम के साथ, वो आता है उनके साथ रगड़ा खाने के साथ, वो आता है उनके साथ रहने के साथ. यू कैन नॉट बी अ सुपरफिशियल कमांडर कि खुद तो तुम बैठे हो एसी में पीछे और आगे टीमें लड़ रही कहीं और. ऐसे नहीं होता है. इट डजंट हैपन लाइक दैट. Wherever it happens, there are major issues, team building issues, all these things. So that is why your intelligence will finish at a time. Majority of the guys are college dropouts who are doing great. Majority of them. You need not be IIM Ahmedabad. It is they are more resilient. People who will achieve greater success are more resilient, and that comes with emotional quotient. You cannot. You should know how teams and how human responses work. And that is the greatest trait which I have learned in Special Forces. Because you are dealing with high performance individuals.
Correct.
Every day you are seeing them. What goes through their mind. अरे भाई बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. You're staying away from family. Somebody kills himself. Somebody does something. किसी ने गलत मार दिया. Civilian मार दिया. There's a lot of civilians then corporations में civilian मार दिया. Not really civil मार दिया. But so there are many things. They are held to pay with that kind of things. But that is what it teaches you. You need to take that data. You need to be like that guy.
In fact, I think it is a difficult struggle for people who are not able to start their businesses because of the responsibilities. वो एक
Because
बहुत
of the
बड़ा
risk.
set है.
यानी taking the leap from employee to employer is a bloody big thing.
Yes.
वो लोग ले ही नहीं पाते. And
नहीं.
especially people who have done jobs in their lives. क्योंकि job आपका एक mindset इतना ज़्यादा खराब करता है ना. नौकरी.
30वें दिन का वो जो
that takes everything out of it.
it is very difficult. I don't understand. I think it is not only the mental or physical weakness जो society face कर रही है आज की डेट में because of the convenience and consumption that we do a lot. मतलब एक ना बेसिक चीज़ है कि कंजप्शन ज़्यादा है और क्रिएशन अगर कम है. अगर अंदर से कम चीज़ें निकल रही हैं फिजिकली, मेंटली, इमोशनली और कंजप्शन ज़्यादा हो रही है तो आप हमेशा डिटरेंट ही बन रहे हो. आप हमेशा नेगेटिव में ही जा रहे हो एज अ ह्यूमन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेंटली अगर मैं कंज्यूम ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ, रील ज़्यादा देख रहा हूँ, रादर देन मैं बुक ज़्यादा पढ़ रहा हूँ.
लोग बोले सर आपके पॉडकास्ट देखते हैं. तो मैंने बोला पॉडकास्ट देखने में भागे कितने लोग?
हाँ नहीं भागेगा
0.1%.
एक
क्योंकि
भी
सुनना अच्छा लगता है.
0.1 भी नहीं भागा होगा.
पता नहीं वो
2 दिन भागा होगा.
कोई लोग भागते हैं बोलते सर हमने 10 किलो. मैंने कहा वेरी गुड. तो मैंने बोला भागे कितने? पॉडकास्ट इज द sometimes I think it is the worst thing because people keep on listening.
हाँ.
और करना कुछ नहीं, उसको सो गए उसके बाद.
Your stories are very interesting ना. It is कि मैं अब तक तो मैं देख रहा था एक था टाइगर. Now I have heard the tiger speaking on a podcast. तो your story was very fascinating. मैंने भी देखा आपका, मैं छोड़ नहीं पाया. मैंने कहा यार this is what it is. We have been watching it on the screen. हम movies में देख रहे थे ये सब.
But the point is, I would tell it to people, especially defense aspirants, people joining special forces. It is not glamorous.
It is not.
It is not. Don't get overawed.
Third point of view से ये fascinating है.
9th class student, 10th class, we want to enter special force. मैंने बोला भाई पहले तू NDA के एग्जाम क्लियर कर ले और give a CDS exam, then clear the SSB, then clear your medicals, go to the academy. There is a bloody phased process. I have made a huge vlog on my, but people don't understand. We want to do special force. अबे special force से पहले तेरा written claim, यानी don't go to the 5th step ना when first. That is what our whole philosophy of special forces is. That is how I did my 3 probations. एक दिन पे, एक टाइम पे, एक ही काम. 3rd day of probation, you are thinking कि आज का दिन निकले भाई. 90वें दिन का क्यों सोच रहे हो तुम कि अरे 90 में तो तुम 90 में पहुंचोगे ना. When you are doing a 40 kilometer speed march, on the first kilometer you don't think about, वो पहले ही daunting लगता है. कि 40 किलोमीटर
हो
भागना
भी
है,
पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा.
धीरे धीरे कीप रिमेन इन द किलोमीटर, हाउ योर बॉडी इज फीलिंग, कीप ऑन न्यूट्रिएंट्स, इलेक्ट्रोलाइट्स, चलते रहो, आएगा, वो भी टाइम आएगा. Everything will come. Don't jump the gun. You can have a foresight to clear the probation, but there are so many impromptu tasks given कि by the time तुम घर पहुंचते हो रात को बैरक में, you come for sleep, कोई सारा प्लान ही फेल हो चुका होता है, बिकॉज वो देते रहेंगे फिर तुम कहोगे "यार, सो जाते हैं थोड़ी देर, फिर सो गए, फिर नेक्स्ट डे अगेन यू आर." दैट्स हाउ यू डू थिंग्स. यू डोंट प्लान सो मच यार. 9th क्लास स्टूडेंट, इट इज गुड टू हैव अ विजन टू बिकम अ आर्मी ऑफिसर. एक तो सोशल मीडिया एज अ 9th क्लास का बच्चा इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या कर रहा है? व्हाट द हेल यू आर डूइंग ऑन इंस्टाग्राम? यू शुड बी स्लीपिंग अर्ली, getting up in the morning, going for 5, 10, 20 kilometers of run, whatever you want to do, or playing sports. What are you doing on social media? उसमें देख लेंगे रील कि आपने ये बोला था. अरे मैंने कहा भाई तू पहले 12वीं क्लास में तो तेरा पहला अटेम्प्ट आएगा. इट इज गुड दैट यू आर हैविंग अ ड्रीम, बट डोंट गेट इन्वॉल्व पहले से ही ना. अब अ पर्सन हु इज देयर इन एकेडमी, हु इज ट्रेनिंग, यानी जो हु इज ट्रेनिंग टू बिकम एन ऑफिसर, जो ऑफिसर बन रहा है, आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड वो मेरे से स्पेशल फोर्सेस का पूछ सकता है, बिकॉज ही इज
बन गया.
वॉलंटियरिंग फॉर, ही इज
Correct.
5-6 months, मे बी अ ईयर अवे फ्रॉम. आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड. तो आई टेल देम कि भाई इट इज लाइक, मैं उसको बोलता हूँ तू खूब सोने की प्रैक्टिस कर ले, खूब नींद ले ले, अपना 2-4 kg वेट बढ़ा ले, बिकॉज जब तू अंदर पहुंचेगा ना, दे विल मेक इट हेल सारा, बिकॉज एक्स्ट्रा वेट इज एनर्जी. 2-3 किलो अगर तुम एक्स्ट्रा कैरी कर रहे हो, इट इज ऑलवेज गुड, बिकॉज दे आर रिजर्व्स ऑफ एनर्जी. जब वो अंदर रगड़ा देंगे ना रात दिन का, तो तेरी ना नींद, यू विल लुक लाइक एज इफ द पर्सन हु क्लियर्स द प्रोबेशन, इफ यू लुक एज फिट, यू विल से कि ही इज अ ड्रग एडिक्ट. ऐसे आंखें अंदर घुसी, नींद उसको देते नहीं 3 महीने तक. ही इज लाइक ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ ब्रेकिंग डाउन कंप्लीटली. He will look like coming back from some concentration camp somewhere in.
नींद नहीं देते मतलब कितना कम सोते हो आप?
1-2-3 घंटे दिन में.
Is that all?
There is that all. Because there are so many things to be done.
And then you are physically involved the
Yes,
entire day.
physically though you are involved every minute of it. Morning, afternoon, evening, night, wo. But the point is, that's what I'm telling you. So once you go inside, उससे पहले थोड़ा अपने, जैसे वो बोलते हैं ना कि जब खाना और नींद मिले तो ले लो. It is like that. Because your body will go under tremendous amount of strength. तुम पहले ही प्रिपरेशन में 30-30 किलोमीटर भाग के जाओगे तो तुम उधर बर्नआउट ना हो जाओ. But people don't understand. They think कि I run now. अरे my requirements are different मेरे भाई. Some days I run with my age. I have reduced my mileages. I keep on increasing it. I do 100 things. I've been doing that business
20 years.
and for 20 years, and
Yeah.
now it's a ritual which I cannot miss. But you need to be smart enough. You need to train your mind. Start reading books because they will ask a lot of questions. वो पढ़ना है नहीं, वो भागने दौड़ने.
Also then physical, these tests are also there in that.
Your normal tactics, weapons.
Okay.
They will give you a lot of presentations, book reviews, what's happening in the world. Everything they test. They test you physically and mentally both. Whether you have the capability to withstand that. भागने वाले तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं. यानी everyone will run 40. Running physical part तो is a easy part of it. The mental game and the rest part is the difficult part of it. That is why even elite athletes cannot do it. If you will tell ki, if you think ki Sebastian Sawe, who has run marathon in 1 minute and 59, abhi he will do special forces probation, he might not do it. He might be physically very fit. He might be a physically very very fit individual. But there are the connotations and यानी जो उसके ऊपर embargoes और जो conditions हैं वो दूसरी है. They are different people.
3 घंटे 2 घंटे ही सोना है.
या तो ये लोग तो फिर 8-8 घंटे सोकर.
खाना वगैरह देते हैं लेकिन.
Food you can eat. Food you can eat. Food there is no food, water. Because your body is surviving on energy only. So it is a different mindset. So the mindset, Virat Kohli ka mindset is great. It's great to an extent. It's great because he has got a work ethic. He follows certain routines. He takes care of a body. और स्पेशल फोर्सेस में वो सब थोड़ी है कि बच्चो 8 घंटे का तेरे को नींद दे देंगे और दे विल टेल कि हैव दिस मिनरल वाटर और अबे जो ले चल पड़ा नहीं. You can't have those are different kind of people. Elite athletes and soldiers, warriors, special forces are totally different. You can't match both the thing. Their forte is different. It's okay. I respect him also, but I can't say कि you can't be in special forces because रगड़ा लग रहा है. People give up on that, ना. The white flag or the white towel, you throw it in your corner because नींद वींद नहीं है. People give up. It is not easy. It is not easy. नहीं तो otherwise everyone would have. But those are different levels. They are two different kind of people. Like people say कि there's a very favorite question of podcasters कि MMA fighter versus special forces. अरे भाई MMA fighter और special forces का कोई there is no bloody comparison.
Of course.
MMA you are given with an assault rifle. तुम्हारा man to man combat I have never seen anyone having a man to man combat. Because you are a bloody given with a weapon जिसकी रेंज 350 मीटर है. अगर वो भी तुम उसमें भी नहीं मार पाए तो फिर एक पिस्टल है, उसको इंगेज करो. गुत्थम गुत्था की MMA fighters, that level is different. They fight for them. You are fighting here for किसी भी हालत में मारना ही मारना है. कोई रूल थोड़ी है. When you are facing a militant, there are no rules. पत्थर मिल गया
Do or die है वो.
It's a do or die. He will to stop. There is a referee doing a bout.
हाँ.
It will stop before
The
one
mindset
get
is very
killed.
different.
And over here, the prime objective is killing.
वो sports है.
वो स्पोर्ट्स है. ये साला सर्वाइवल, ये अलग ही दुनिया है. You cannot. They ask this.
मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में ये तो जो आप जिस चीज के लिए स्पेशल फोर्सेस ट्रेन हो रही है, मॉडर्न सोसाइटी में उसका 1% का ग्लिम्स नहीं है.
No, it is not, because it's a sport. It's an event. Yes, you are very well trained athlete. You have skill, stamina, technique. But how many people get killed in a MMA fight?
No, I don't.
यानी
हाँ, of course.
हजारों फाइट में एक बंदा मर जाता होगा.
हाँ.
और इधर कांटेक्ट में कितने मरते हैं? इधर militant is dying or you are dying. Somebody तो is getting somewhere.
Yes.
So
That's the win.
That's the win, na. You are killing for your survival. He is fighting for his survival. You are surviving. You are fighting for your survival. You can't match both the things. So that's life. उधर तो तुम जब मुक्के पड़ने लगे, चलो मैं फाइट कर लेता हूँ, मेरे को मारोगे और मैं डाल दूंगा. इधर कौन हाथ डालेगा? इधर तो कोई आने नहीं वाला बीच में. Some referee will come कि अच्छा we are stopping the fire fight now.
ऐसा भी हुआ है कि आपका वेपन नहीं चल रहा और ऐसे वाली फाइट हो रही है.
No,
ऐसे
I have
नहीं
never,
हुआ बस.
never in those kind of scenarios. I have never heard the closest guys amongst being, बिल्कुल ही
This
that
fight.
kind. I have never seen it. In my 20 years, I have never somebody very close to me telling me कि गुत्थम गुत्था की लड़ाई हो गई थी, बिल्कुल ही बुक्के
हुआ.
बुक्के. I have never seen it. I have never heard of it also. Somebody might have done it, but मैंने नहीं किया है. I have not seen it and heard it. Some great guys might have done it, but not in my opinion.